Assalam-o-Alaikum everyone. Welcome to Mubashir SkillForge. In this video, I will showcase my chess game project. First, we'll see a live demo of the project, and then I'll explain the project structure and important parts of the code. This project includes AI gameplay, multiple difficulty levels, and advanced algorithms like alpha-beta pruning. This chess game supports multiple features, such as player versus AI mode, player versus player mode, and customizable color selection. The AI includes 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, and hard. Let's start the game. This project also includes low and high difficulty levels. In this demonstration, I selected the medium level to showcase the gameplay.